Hey guys, so today we have two big zipper cakes here. These are both the same thing pretty much. The only difference is that these are two different colors and one's got 149 shots and then this one's got 225 shots. They're both called Mr. Powder by Black Avenger Fireworks, which can be found at Shelton Fireworks. Here's a QR code for this one and this one. I'm going to show you guys a little size comparison here. There's my foot right there. These things are pretty big, and this one was $99.95, which is about $100, and then this was $110. So it's about a $10 difference for however many more shots. But yeah, and I can tell that these are pretty much the same because this one says SF-736A. And this one is 736B. So they're basically, I'm gonna probably assume this maybe came in an assortment or something, like a 2-in-1 assortment. I wouldn't be surprised if that is the case. I do know the performance description is the same on each one. It says spiral cake, assorted color stars with crackling and reports every 20 shots. The stars change color. Finale with 3 rolls of 10 rapid shots of red, white, and blue, reports and crackling. Awesome. So yeah, that is pretty much what these are. And they are pretty much the same size. So I'm assuming this one right here probably has the tubes a little closer, or there's more tubes in each row. I don't know if that's the case or not, but I'm actually gonna open these up and see what's going on in here. So here's what's going on in here, and right off the bat you can definitely tell that the black one over here has a lot more rows, and they're actually not as spaced out like this one. And I feel like this is just a waste of space. They probably could at least just made this one just a tad shorter lengthwise, just so they don't have that much space in there, because that's just a waste of material. But this one definitely seems more realistic. I still think the whole spacing out thing is kind of stupid, but this one definitely does look a lot more appealing. One thing I did notice is this one over here, it does have a little lopsided shot here, but that has 6-shot here, finale, 6-shot finale, and then this one has a 5-shot finale. Those are the bigger breaks. So these little tubes on each one of them looks like about a 1/4 inch. So, and obviously these are just Comets. And then we got about a 1-inch bore size on the back tubes there. So, pretty nice. Let's go ahead and see what these things do. All right, here goes the 149 shots, Mr. Powder. I do not have the microphone because I forgot at the lake house, so unfortunately this won't sound the best, but here we go. Nice. That is amazing. Really nice. All right, and now here goes the 225 shots, Mr. Powder. Nice. That one was a lot better, actually. These fireworks are by far one of the best little bunches of fireworks that I've had in quite a while, even though it was just over $200 for both of these together. I would say it's probably worth it. I would probably, maybe if it was possible, get these for $150 at the least. But yeah, these are definitely really nice fireworks. Usually I'm not a fan of zipper cakes that only have comets, but these are actually really nice for what they are. I actually was not expecting these to go pretty well, as well as they did. So yeah, definitely really nice fireworks. I definitely really recommend these. Some of the comets I did notice didn't really go off too well, but looks like all the shots went off, so everything went pretty well. That is Mr. Powder, 149 and 225 shots, SF736A, SF736B. Definitely one of the nicest duos I've seen in quite a while, but this is the first duo video I've done on my channel. So yeah, if you find these, definitely pick them up, even though they're a little pricey, but I would say it's probably worth it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.